I'm Natalie from Top10.com Reviews. We're here to help make your decisions easier. We spend hours reviewing products and services and comparing features so you don't have to. Our mission is to bring you the top 10 best options every time. Let's talk about Blue Apron. Blue Apron is the meal kit delivery service that says healthy eating is attainable for anyone. With easy to follow recipes, all the fresh and vitamin-rich ingredients you need delivered to your door, and a wide range of dietary preferences accounted for, Blue Apron challenges the world to eat healthier and live better. Blue Apron has 11 new meals each week and several meal plans, including the Signature Plan with 2, 3, or 4 recipes for 2 people weekly, the Signature Plan for 4 people, and the Vegetarian Plan for 2. You can also get the Meal Prep Plan with 8 servings. Blue Apron uses high-quality ingredients in all its meals, though not all are USDA certified organic. Everything is non-GMO, antibiotic-free, and humanely treated. What's more, Blue Apron tries to pack as much nutrition as possible into these meals. You'll find things like fresh produce and whole grains constantly cropping up. Since Blue Apron's goal is to get the masses eating properly, it stands to reason that it would offer a variety of meal plans catering to varied dietary preferences. Well, BA doesn't disappoint. With menus including diabetes-friendly, 500 calories or less, carb-conscious, Weight Watchers approved, Mediterranean, and vegan, everyone can eat here. Blue Apron is a weekly menu that lets you choose the number of meals and diners you're ordering for. There's also Blue Apron customization that lets you change up the meal according to your preferences. Pause, skip, or cancel without any commitment or fees. Blue Apron delivers meal kits to the continental United States. It also has a wine service that ships to around 35 states. Blue Apron has 2 boxes you can order. The standard meal kits come with all the ingredients you need to prepare a healthy and delicious meal. You'll also get step-by-step instructions on how to make your meals. Alternatively, the meal prep plan comes with ingredients prepped and ready. Blue Apron stands out for quality, that's not all. Customized plans mean you can upgrade, swap, or add ingredients. Blue Apron also has unique additional products, including a wine program and an open fresh market. It includes spice blends and cooking tools used by the pros. The standard Blue Apron meals take around 20 to 30 minutes to prepare. Of course, you can turbocharge that time by ordering the meal prep kits. Those give you 8 meals in under 2 hours. That's 15 minutes each, for the math whizzes among us. Blue Apron has customer service available via phone and email. There's also a well-organized FAQ section on the website that gives you just about all the information you could ever possibly want to know about Blue Apron and its meal delivery services. Blue Apron meals start at a reasonable $7.49 per serving and go up to about $10. The more you buy, the lower the per serving meal becomes. You'll get free shipping on all plans except the 2 meals for 2 people plan. Blue Apron's meal plan selection is great, particularly if you're trying to lose weight by cutting down carbs or calories or using the Weight Watchers program. The emphasis on healthy ingredients is also helpful. Blue Apron has great customization, fast meal prep, and free delivery to most subscribers. I hope this video helped you decide whether Blue Apron is the right meal delivery service for your needs. For an in-depth look into hundreds of other products and services, make sure to check out Top10.com's extensive collection of reviews.